Frozen mixed vegetables can look cooked and still taste strangely flat. The problem is often not the seasoning. It is the water sitting between the seasoning and the food. Freezing and heating can release liquid from plant tissue. In a wet pan, salt dissolves into that puddle. Oil beads and sauce spreads into the free liquid. Neither gives every piece the same thin coating. So more seasoning can make the puddle salty while the vegetables stay dull. Fix the surface first. Let the first moisture evaporate or drain it before judging flavor. Then add a thin flavor base, salt, a suitable fat, and one clear aromatic direction. Bloom sturdy spices or garlic in the fat, but do not scorch them. Now the vegetables can pick up a light, even coating. Fresh herbs, citrus, toasted sesame, or grated cheese belong near the end. Long heat can flatten their most delicate aroma. The sequence is simple: dry, coat, finish. Better flavor starts with the surface, not a heavier hand with the salt shaker. A food knowledge film by Greenland Food.